Welcome to our What's New in 2021 series. I'm Mark and I will take you through the updates for eDrawings. You can now view custom and configuration specific properties right inside the eDrawings viewer. Commands like measure have been significantly improved as well. Finding the center-to-center distance of two circular or cylindrical objects has always been available, but now with eDrawings 2021 you can choose to view the minimum and maximum distances. You can also measure the normal distance between planar and circular faces. Sharing your 3D designs without the requirement to install the free eDrawings viewer is easy. Just save as web.html. Any modern web browser natively opens these files, allowing the recipient to pan, rotate and zoom, as well as view configurations, exploded states, section views and more. eDrawings web.html format now supports measurement directly inside the web browser. Also in 2021 is the ability to move and rotate bodies, making it easy to interrogate large projects without having to dig through an assembly tree. To summarise, eDrawings 2021 now provides access to SOLIDWORKS custom properties, the measure function has been enhanced, and HTML now supports the ability to both move and measure.